Veal and Sago Soup. 2½ pounds veal chopped fine, 1/4 pound pearl sago, 1 pint milk, 4 eggs, 3 quarts water. Put on the veal and water and boil slowly until the liquid is reduced to about 1/2 of the original quantity. Strain out the shreds of meat and put the soup again over the fire. Meanwhile, the sago should be washed in several waters and soaked half an hour in warm water enough to cover it. Stir it into the strained broth and boil, stirring very often to prevent lumping or scorching, half an hour more. Heat the milk almost to boiling. Beat the yolks of the eggs very light. Mix with the milk gradually, as in making boiled custard, and pour, stirring all the while, into the soup. Season with pepper and salt. Boil up once to cook the eggs and serve. Should the liquid be too thick after putting in the eggs, replenish with boiling water. It should be about the consistency of hot custard. This soup is very good if chicken broth be substituted for the veal. It is very strengthening to invalids and especially beneficial to those suffering from colds and pulmonary affections.